Vegetables for diabetics, the secret to long-term health. Did you know that choosing the right food not only helps you control your blood sugar, but also changes your quality of life? With more than 537 million people worldwide suffering from diabetes, according to the International Diabetes Federation 2021, this is not only a personal problem but has become a global health challenge. In Vietnam, the number of people with diabetes has more than doubled in the past 10 years, and one of the biggest causes is an unscientific diet. Vegetables, familiar ingredients in the kitchen, may be the key to helping you control blood sugar effectively. Research from Harvard University shows that adding 2 to 3 servings of fiber-rich vegetables every day helps reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes complications by 21%. In particular, vegetables such as asparagus, spinach, and pumpkin not only have a low glycemic index, GI, but also contain many essential nutrients, support insulin control, and reduce inflammation, a dangerous factor for people with diabetes. Another study from Oxford University also showed that people who eat a lot of green vegetables every day can reduce the risk of sudden blood sugar increases by up to 30%. But the question is, how do you get the most out of vegetables? Are you accidentally using them incorrectly, causing them to lose their nutritional value? And is your current diet suitable for the health needs of living with diabetes? Just imagine, what happens if you can't control your blood sugar? Complications like kidney failure, heart disease, or even vision loss can rob you of your quality of life. But the good news is that with just a few small changes, choosing the right vegetables and preparing them properly, you can reverse much of this risk. Feeling healthy, confident in your control, and enjoying family meals will no longer be a distant dream. So, are you ready to discover the secret to using vegetables properly, helping you not only control your disease but also improve your overall health? Join me as I dive into each vegetable, its benefits, and simple yet effective ways to prepare it. Don't forget, if you have any questions about diet or diabetes, leave a comment below. I'm always here to help. Vegetables are an important part of a diabetic diet. They not only provide essential nutrients, but also help control blood sugar, improve overall health, and reduce the risk of diabetic complications. This has been proven through many scientific studies from prestigious universities around the world. By understanding the benefits of each type of vegetable and how to use them properly, you can build a healthy diet, improve your quality of life without having to rely too much on medication. One of the vegetables that is highly appreciated by health experts for diabetics is asparagus. According to research from Harvard University, asparagus not only has a low glycemic index, GI, but also contains a lot of fiber and vitamin K, 2 important factors that help control blood sugar levels. The fiber in asparagus helps slow down the absorption of glucose into the blood while improving digestive function. Vitamin K, on the other hand, plays a role in supporting insulin metabolism, helping to reduce the risk of insulin resistance, one of the main causes of type 2 diabetes. In addition, asparagus also contains powerful antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation, a common risk factor in diabetics. Spinach is another superfood for diabetics. Rich in magnesium, spinach not only helps control blood sugar, but also improves heart health, a problem that often comes with diabetes. Research from the University of Oxford shows that consuming 1 to 2 cups of spinach per day can reduce the risk of diabetes complications by up to 14%. In addition, antioxidants in spinach such as lutein and zeaxanthin also help protect the eyes, reducing the risk of macular degeneration, another common complication in diabetics. The versatility of how it is prepared, from salads to smoothies to stir-fried garlic, makes spinach an attractive choice that is easy to integrate into daily meals. Pumpkin is a great choice that cannot be missed. According to research from Nanjing University, China, pumpkins contain natural polysaccharides that can reduce blood sugar levels and increase insulin production. This makes pumpkin an ideal vegetable for people with diabetes. In addition, pumpkin is also rich in beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, which helps improve the immune system and protect eye health. Pumpkin processing is also very diverse, from nutritious soups, soft stews with lean meat, to light grilled dishes with natural spices. Compared to processed foods and fast foods, vegetables offer superior health benefits without the potential risks. Processed foods often contain hidden sugars, preservatives, and trans fats, all of which are enemies for people with diabetes. A study from the University of Cambridge found that regular consumption of processed foods increases the risk of diabetes complications, such as high blood fat, blood vessel damage, and cardiovascular disease by 40%. Meanwhile, fresh vegetables are not only harmless, but also support the process of regulating blood sugar, providing the necessary nutrients for the body to function more effectively. In addition, vegetables also help people with diabetes maintain a stable weight, a very important factor in controlling the disease. Fast food, although convenient, often contains many empty calories, increasing the risk of obesity and insulin resistance. On the contrary, vegetables with high fiber content help create a feeling of fullness for a long time, reducing cravings without increasing the amount of calories absorbed. A plate of spinach salad with avocado slices, for example, is not only delicious but also helps provide enough fiber, vitamins, and minerals that the body needs. Not only providing nutrition, vegetables also play an important role in preventing and alleviating complications of diabetes. For example, antioxidants in green vegetables help reduce stress. Antioxidants, protecting blood vessels from damage. Vegetables such as carrots, tomatoes, or red bell peppers also provide many anti-inflammatory substances, helping to reduce the risk of chronic inflammation, which is the root of many diabetes-related diseases. In short, vegetables are not only food, but also natural medicine for people with diabetes. By choosing the right vegetables, preparing them properly, and staying away from processed foods, you can improve your overall health, reduce the risk of complications, and live a more active life. The story is not only about controlling blood sugar, but also about building a healthy, sustainable eating habit that brings balance to the body and mind. Start with small changes today. Healthy meals not only help you live a healthy life, but are also a precious gift for yourself and your loved ones. As you move through middle age, maintaining a balanced diet is not only a necessity, but also a way to live healthier while dealing with diabetes. The following nutrient-rich supplements will not only help control blood sugar, but also improve overall health, especially for those who are trying to reduce the risk of complications. Chia seeds are one of the outstanding superfoods for diabetics. With a high content of soluble fiber, chia seeds help slow down the absorption of glucose, maintaining stable blood sugar levels after meals. According to a study from the University of Toronto, daily consumption of chia seeds can reduce 20% of post-meal blood sugar levels in people with prediabetes. Furthermore, the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds play a pivotal role in reducing inflammation and enhancing cardiovascular health, which is especially crucial given the elevated risk of heart disease commonly associated with diabetes. The simplest way to use it is to soak a tablespoon of chia seeds in lemon juice or unsweetened nut milk and drink it in the morning. This is a refreshing drink full of nutritious to start the day. Walnuts are also a great choice. According to research from the University of California, walnuts contain polyunsaturated fatty acids and polyphenols, which help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce vascular inflammation. Consuming 5 to 7 walnuts a day can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by up to 28%, an impressive number for those living with diabetes. You can eat them directly, combine them with spinach salad, or add them to plain yogurt for extra flavor. Unsweetened nut milks, such as almond milk and walnut milk, are a healthy source of protein and a great alternative to dairy milk. Unlike cow's milk, nut milks do not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels and still provide adequate calcium and vitamin D, which help strengthen bones, essential for middle-aged people. A glass of nut milk every morning not only provides energy, but also supports the digestive system thanks to its natural fiber content. However, in addition to these supplements, we cannot ignore the downside of processed foods, the silent enemy for people with diabetes. Processed foods often contain hidden sugars, preservatives, and trans fats, making it difficult for the body to control blood sugar. A study from the University of Cambridge showed that daily consumption of processed foods can increase the risk of type 2 diabetes by up to 44%. Products such as packaged snacks, soft drinks, and fast food not only cause blood sugar to spike, but also cause long-term damage to the liver and kidneys, leading to fatty liver and kidney failure. 2 common complications in people with diabetes. Just imagine, a convenient fast food meal may bring instant satisfaction, but it causes your blood sugar to fluctuate, damages your blood vessels, and increases your risk of cardiovascular disease. This is not only a health problem now, but also affects your future. So instead of choosing processed foods, prioritize dishes made from fresh and whole foods. A green salad with walnuts, a glass of homemade nut milk, or a simple bowl of pumpkin soup will bring lasting health benefits. Managing diabetes doesn't have to be difficult if you make smart food choices. Listen to your body, start with small but practical changes, and trust that the choices you make today will determine your health in the future. Don't let diabetes control your life. Let healthy eating be your ally. Concluding the journey of learning about food and health, we can see the importance of choosing smart foods in controlling and improving diabetes. Fresh vegetables, supplements such as chia seeds, walnuts, or unsweetened nut milk are great companions on the path of healthcare. Scientific studies have proven that their benefits do not stop at stabilizing blood sugar, but also help prevent dangerous complications, sustainably improving the quality of life. On the other hand, bad habits like consuming processed foods, fast foods, and drinks with hidden sugars can lead to fatty liver, insulin resistance, and worsen diabetes. These choices, while convenient and appealing, actually rob you of long-term health and happiness. Ask yourself, is short-term convenience worth sacrificing your health for a lifetime? It's time to say goodbye to bad habits and build a healthier lifestyle. From choosing foods, changing the way you cook, to maintaining exercise habits, every small change has a big impact if you persevere. Start today, because health is not only a gift you give yourself, but also a care for your family and loved ones. If you find this video useful, please like to spread this message to more people. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss other useful content. Let's build a healthy, positive living community together and join us on the journey to conquer health. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next episodes.